Hi everyone, this is your girl, Chef Afusa. In today's episode, we are going to teach ourselves how to boil perfect water.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this?
Let's go! And I know some of you will be like, how do they used to boil perfect water again? Now that stupid question, may government never answer us. So all of una dey strike. Instead of you guys to calm down, to learn something. I must be anything you need sense. You guys will think I do not have sense, and I know what I'm talking about.
You be mumu.
So right now, let's get back to the business. So you now take your empty bottle and put it on the fire. Then you will now open it. So right now, we will now take our bowl. Tafel of first taaooma to go and fetch our water. So after we have fetched our water, we will now go in segbe now. Hope you guys remember that we put our empty kettle lórí iná. So right now, our tanasabe kettle will on fire. Hope you guys remember that we have empty kettle on the fire. Like me now, I want to make eba. That's why me, I will count 1 to 10. But if you want to use it to bath, you can count 1 to 5. And if you want to use it for tea, you can still count 1 to 5. So you will now take your omi inside your bowl or what that's all you know.
You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
You can now cover it up. No, yummy. So right now, we now count 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right now, we're supposed to have a perfect water. We'll now off our gas because gas is expensive now.
You know what I need to tell you? No GCSE, no A level, you will end up in McDonald's.
It's very hot. It's very hot. So guys, right now, I will go and use this water to make my eba. Jesus! I hope you guys have learned 1 or 2 things in what I have been teaching you since morning. See you guys next time. Bye bye.
The earlier every one of you realizes, the better it will be for us.
In fact,
God have mercy.